Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on refurbishing of this beautiful Cornell Dubilier capacitance resistance bridge. And I've already replaced several of the, most of the capacitors here, this 8 microfarad, 2 of these, and you got 2 caps here, 25 microfarad 600, also this capacitor, and now I'm replacing this, getting ready to replace this 2 microfarad capacitor here. Here's the replacement right here. Took care of, replaced the resistor that was there. Put a new resistor here. So, and then I got a lot of more work to do, many more resistors to replace on the other side of this casing. So, making progress. All right. And so, that's enough for this video, because I got to get back to work, because I want to get this job done as soon as possible. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, just sharing with you the progress that I'm making on my bridge rebuild project. Rebuilding the infrastructure. Till the next time. Peace out.